Hey, it's Wednesday, July 1st, and yesterday in the stock market it was a fairly up day, so I want to focus in on this SPX trade right away. So yesterday the S&P closed at 3,100, and the strikes that I ended up executing are the same strikes that I showed in the video. The S&P opened at about pretty much the same target that I had set in the video, so I didn't change any of the strikes. I executed the same ones that were in the video, and as you can see, the call side here is at 3130. It's close. It's at 3100. The short position on the call side is 3130, and if you take a look at the stock futures, they're negative right now. I took a look at the European markets right before I started recording, and they're down anywhere from 1% to 2%, the major indices overseas. So if the U.S. markets follow the European markets, it could be a down day. However, I did just get a notification that there is a very positive jobs report that came out. So that could definitely influence which way the markets go. They could go back up. So in that case, I want to make sure that I close this trade. I don't want it to run away on the call side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a conditional order for this trade. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell Thinkorswim to automatically close this trade. I don't know why it's not popping up. There it is. So I'm going to tell Thinkorswim to buy the 5 iron condors if the SPX has a mark price that is greater than or equal to 3110. So if the S&P creeps up to 3110, as soon as it hits that, Thinkorswim will go ahead and close the trade. And I want to make sure that I set this limit price to market so that it goes ahead and execute whatever price the iron condor is going for. So I'm going to save that. And in terms of the new trade, what I'm thinking about is gold. So there's a lot of uncertainty in the market right now, and usually when that happens, a lot of investors retreat to things like gold and bonds. So I am going to take a trade on gold. I wrote it down here. I want to give some time on this trade. I want to go into the 21st of August. That's 51 days away. And I want to get the 172 call. It's about a 36 delta. So that's good. And I'm going to pick up 5 of them. It's going for 288 right now. I want to put some time on this trade because if you look at the chart for gold, it's been a little bit sideways and it's gotten a little bit more bullish, but gold doesn't make huge moves during the day like stocks do. So it's going to take some time for gold to get up there if it remains bullish. So I'm setting that conditional order for the SPX, and then I'm buying 5 contracts of gold for the 21st of August at the 172 call.